Good morning, children. How are you? Say, I'm fine, thank you. Very good. Today we are going to learn EVS, and in EVS we are going to learn about airways. We have learnt about roadways, we have learnt about railways, and we have also learnt about waterways. And today we are going to learn about airways. These are the different airways. What are airways? Airways are the vehicles that move in the air, like the aeroplane, the rocket, the helicopter, the hot air balloon. All these vehicles, they don't run on the road or on the railways or on the water. They move on the air. हवा में, है ना? It's on the air. The airways are aeroplane. This is a aeroplane. Rocket. Rocket moves in the space, very high up in the air. And this is helicopter. And this is a hot air balloon. And what is different about all these vehicles? A hot air balloon can carry only a few people, 1 or 2. And sometimes 4 or 5 also. In a helicopter also, very few people can sit. And in a rocket, we cannot sit. Not anybody can sit in a rocket. It is for the people who travel in the space. Like the astronauts. Yes, it is for the astronauts who travel to the space. Who go to the moon, to Mars and other places in the space. And this is an aeroplane. We use aeroplane when we travel very far off distances. And many people can sit in an aeroplane. 100 of people can sit in an aeroplane. When we go to different continents, we go by a aeroplane. And one more important thing about airways is it takes less time to travel. Like if you go by a car, it will take more time. If you go by a train, it will take more time. But when you go by aeroplane, you reach the place very soon. In very few minutes. It travels hundreds of kilometers in few minutes. Okay? So this is the fastest mode of transport. This is called the fastest mode of transport. It is very fast. If you want to reach somewhere very fast, then you have to board an aeroplane or a helicopter. Yes. When you want to reach very far and very fast, then you need to go by an aeroplane. Okay? These are all airways. Aeroplane, rocket, helicopter and a hot air balloon. Okay? Now let's see. What is this? Oh, color the helicopter. Here's a helicopter for you. And you have to color the helicopter. And you can color it whatever color you want to. I'm going to color my helicopter. I haven't seen a pink helicopter. And I'm going to make a pink helicopter for myself today. You can also color the helicopter on your own. In whatever color you want to have the helicopter. It's your helicopter and you can color it as you like it. Yes. This is a pink helicopter. This is the most unusual helicopter, I think. Helicopter. It has a wing. Like a fan. It's a fan. On the top of the helicopter there's a fan and there's a small fan on the tail of it, on behind. There is 2 fans in a helicopter, so that the helicopter runs very fast and it makes a lot of noise. The helicopter, the aeroplane, it has lot of noise because they move very fast. They can move on the clouds. Yes, the helicopter, the aeroplane, they move on the clouds. They travel above the clouds. You have seen the clouds in the sky? The helicopter, the aeroplane, it moves above the clouds. And when you see from the window of the aeroplane, you can see the rivers, the trees. They look very small from the above. from the moving aeroplane. You can experience all types of sight from moving aeroplane. Okay. The mountains, the big mountains also look very small. And now we'll have one more exercise to do. The page is behind. You'll have to search for the page. 2 pages later, you have this page. This is your page for activity on Airways. Here, you have to cross the odd one out. Here, you can see there are 3 pictures. This is a pair. This is a pair of 3 pictures. 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. You have to look at the picture and make a cross on the odd one. Like this two. These two are, this is a ship, this is a boat, and this is a rocket. Ship and boat, they travel on water. And the rocket, it is an airway. So, these two are same because they travel in water, and rocket is odd one because it moves on the air. So, you'll have to make a cross here. Okay, now let's see the next one. This is a cycle, bicycle, a train and a car. And here the bicycle and the car, they move on the road. But the train moves on the rail track. So the engine is the odd one. Okay. Now let's see the next picture. Okay, this is a helicopter. This is a jet plane. And this is a sailboat. And which is the odd one? Yes, the sailboat is the odd one because the jet and the helicopter, they both move on the air. But the sailboat, it travels in the water. So this is the odd one. Okay. You have to compare the 3 pictures in the same row. Okay. And let's see the next one. Okay, here draw the tracks and color the picture. Okay, this is a train, but the track is missing. So you have to draw a track. Have you all seen a track? I'm going to use a scale to draw a track. You can also do the same. Yes, I'm going to use this scale to draw the track. The track is a straight line like this. Yes, you can make a track for the rail. This is the rail and this is the track for the rail. Now you have to color the train, color the engine, and then color the train. Color it. I'm going to color it, and you also have to color your train. You can color it as you wish. This is a train, and the train travels on the track. The bus travels on the road. The aeroplane travels on the air. The cycle, yes, it moves on the road. And the boat in the water. Very good. All these are different modes of transport. Some move on the road, some move on the water, like the ship, the boat. And do you remember the special one that moves inside the water? Yes, the submarine. The submarine moves inside the water. The ship, the boat, they move on the water. But the submarine, it gets inside the water. We cannot see the submarine from the top. Okay, this is how I'm going to color my train. Now complete it. My train is ready. Train is Rail Gadi. Yes, the poem you learnt in rhymes you learnt in Hindi. Rail I, Rail I. This is a Rail I, Rail I. And our track is also ready. Let me color my track also. This is my track and it's ready. Okay, children, complete your work. See you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.